In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the new Google Chrome ad tracking system via settings. First, open Google Chrome and head to the menu in the top right corner. It's the three vertical dots, sometimes called the kebab menu. This is where Chrome keeps its main controls and tools. Click it to open the list. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. We'll stay within this area to turn off Chrome's newer ad tracking features, which are part of Google's Privacy Sandbox. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section focuses on how your data is handled and is where Chrome groups controls for things like site permissions, cookies, and ad-related privacy. Next, look for Ad Privacy. You'll usually find it under a label that mentions Privacy Sandbox. Click that, and you'll land on a page dedicated to Google's new approach to ads and measurement on the web. Here, you'll see three tracking-related options. The first is Ad Topics. This uses your recent browsing to guess broad interests, like fitness or travel, and shares those topics with sites to personalize ads. The second is Site-Suggested Ads. This lets individual sites suggest ads based on what you do on their pages, so your activity on one site can influence the ads you see later. The third is Ad Measurement. This allows websites and advertisers to measure whether ads were viewed or led to actions like a purchase, without using traditional third-party cookies. To shut these down, click into each one and turn off the toggle switch. When a toggle is off, it typically changes color and the label will indicate it's disabled. Work through Ad Topics, then Site-Suggested Ads, and finally, Ad Measurement. There's no need to save. Your choices apply immediately. Once all three are off, you've disabled Chrome's built-in ad personalization and measurement features. You'll still see ads on the web, but they should be less tailored to your browsing activity within Chrome. If you ever want to revisit your choices, you can return to the same ad privacy page and turn any of the toggles back on. That's all you need to do inside Chrome's settings. Keeping these off can be a simple way to reduce personalized tracking while you browse. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to share it with someone who wants a quick, straightforward way to tighten their ad privacy in Chrome.